Rail infrastructure in the cloud is really a huge leap into the future. But for this, we have to go back in time a little bit.
Ever since railways have started to connect people 2 centuries ago, engineers have built complex systems like signaling stations, interlockings, and so much more along the tracks to keep the system running safely and reliably. Until now, that is. With a new platform, we take the benefits of digitalization and cloud solutions to centralize the components of the rail infrastructure in an unprecedented way. This platform is the Siemens Distributed Smart Safe System, or DS3 for short.
That does not mean that we haven't used the latest technology until now. We have, absolutely. And to achieve the highest safety standards, we have implemented state-of-the-art automation technology. And the control logic for signals and points within the railway infrastructure was built and run on proprietary hardware so far, installed in interlocking buildings distributed along the track. And now, the DS3 will finally make it possible to run signaling applications as interlockings and radio block centers centralized in a data center on off-the-shelf hardware with the same level of safety and security.
It's not just the next step in the process. It's a leap into the future towards a digitally connected rail infrastructure where just a few elements like point machines, level crossings or balises remain in the field. The rest, it's virtualized.
The technology behind this is our new software-based safety platform DS3, which means Distributed Smart Safe System. This might sound complicated to you, but here is what it really means.
What that really means is DS3 allows your interlockings and radio block centers to move into the cloud permanently. It replaces your many facilities with one data center and centralizes your infrastructure. Doing so will enable a more efficient use of capacity and enhanced punctuality while reducing lifecycle costs at the same time.
What's more is that your signaling applications will now be able to run on commercially available hardware, on high-performant multi-core standard technology. And of course, we are still maintaining the highest level of safety. DS3 is compatible with the most existing systems and it supports the current standards like ULINX or NEUPRO. Additionally, hardware independency simplifies the obsolescence and makes it possible to keep up with enhancements in the hardware technology.
The approach of DS3 provides seamless geographical redundancy for highest availability of centralized data centers. This necessary feature will minimize downtime and impact from power failure or natural or other disasters.
Ultimately, this innovation by Siemens Mobility paves the way for a more efficient rail infrastructure. Axle counters, track circuits and signals will no longer be needed, and operators and passengers will profit from increased reliability and reduced costs.
And all of this will be the future of railway infrastructure. But in a way, it's also its present. Together with our customer ÖBB, we have already successfully implemented the first interlocking based uniquely on commercial off-the-shelf multi-core hardware. It corresponds to SEAL 4 and thus offers the highest level of safety integrity.
Together with our customers, we are building a more efficient and a more practical future of rail infrastructure. We are moving beyond.
Are you coming with us?